Are you constantly getting denied for loans, paying sky-high interest rates, or feeling stuck because your credit is holding you back from the life you deserve? I get it. It's frustrating and it feels like you'll never get ahead. But here's the good news. At Advanced Credit Care, we help you break free from the cycle of bad credit, and finally you can take control of your financial future. Our process is simple and very effective. Here's how it works. Step 1, we analyze. We start with a free and detailed credit analysis to identify the exact issue holding you back. Step 2, we handle the hard part, disputing errors and applying our proven strategy to boost your credit fast. Step 3, getting you approved. With your improved credit, you'll be ready to secure loans, lower interest rates, and achieve financial goals. So, why choose our company, Advanced Credit Care? We offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If we don't deliver a result, you don't pay. Many of our clients see deletion and improvements in as little as 48 hours. With us, you get proven strategy, fast result, and complete peace of mind. You have 2 ways to get started today. Schedule your free credit analysis to see exactly how we can help. Or sign up right now for just $99 a month, no contract, and you can cancel anytime. Don't let bad credit hold you back for another day. Your financial future is actually closer than what you think. Take the first step today and start building the future you deserve.